Check out this rechargeable Fanntik screwdriver. It is so small but so strong that it can screw up to 400 screws into pine wood. These attachments are magnetically attached to the screwdriver, and it comes with 10 different attachments, one on each side. So cool and so convenient. Let's put this to the test. Once you open that up, it does have this very cool 360 lighting to use in the dark. Just like that, you can easily change those toy batteries, super easy and super fast. That loose kitchen cabinet handle, yep, we're gonna fix that too. Choose your attachment, and there we go. Checking the light in complete darkness, and the specific screw is in a hardwood board. This specific board had no pre-screwed holes before, and look at that. Put that thing on the charger and it's good to go for the next use.